Hello all. So while making table of contents, everyone will it will be a tough task. In this sample, I'm just making some 2 pages, but while making a thesis of 100 pages or more than 200 pages, at that time it will be difficult for us to make some table of contents. We have to check the pages one by one, and it is a difficult task. So in order to reduce it and it to do it automatically, I'm just making a video, so I think it will be helpful for you. So for that, first we have to do some processings, but it will make your table of contents easy. So while you are making the thesis one by one itself, if you do means it will be better for you. So first we have to do some works for that. So this introduction I'm just making it to heading 1. For that I'm just moving to heading 1. Heading 1 and some headings it will be automatically provided. You can just find it from this here there is a button, no, that is drop down button. If you click means it will just automatically display. I think some maybe no, but I'm just mentioning you. So here there is some heading 1. So here I'm clicking this heading 1 in introduction 1. So it is changing, but if you want to modify its color or some other things means you can modify. Here I am just giving automatic, and other than calibres, if you want to give some other font also, you can change this thing also, you can change. Here also you can change, and then I'm giving automatically update. So then I'm just moving to paragraphs, because if here also if you want to do any modifications, like whatever modifications you want, like before, after, then left, right, then none, uh, line spacing, here also you can do. So here I'm just giving okay, and then here I'm giving okay. Now in this case heading 1 will be changed. You can now notice that heading 1 is changed. Now we have to give number for it. 1, I'm just giving 1 for it. So first here moving to this thing, that is multi-level list. Here I'm just moving to define new multi-level list, and this is heading 1, right? So first it is level 1, so we have to give level 1. Here I'm just clicking to more. In this more, here already in level 1 we have given some styles, which is heading 1, so you can link that over here. It will be easy for you. Then if you want this formatting means you can keep as it is, but I want some one or dot means also you can change. I don't want any dot, so I'm just leaving as it is. And here if you want some different number style also, you can change, like some numerals or Roman letters, caps, you can also change as per your wish. Now I'm giving okay, and now you can notice that this number is displayed over here. Now here also, if you want to give any modifications, because for manually if you do means it will be tough for us. So here if you want to do any modifications means here we can do, and it will make the, if you are giving this normal to the word means automatically it will be changed. Then this purpose I'm just going to heading 2. For that I'm first we can just try with the same heading itself. So in that, if you want to change anything means you can change. Here I'm not willing to change, but it is easy only. You can click this button, and then you can do move to modify. And if you want to change anything means you can change. Here I'm just changing the font, and I'm just giving Times New Roman, and automatically it update, and I'm just giving okay. So here also if you want to, you have to move to this multi-level list, and here I'm just moving to define new multi-level list, and here we have to give this as 2, because it is level 2 means automatically sometimes it will come, but you have to check it, because sometimes it will not come automatically. Here it is coming A, but I want numbering, so I'm just moving to numbering. And in this numbering also, I'm, since it is second level heading, I'm just giving us 1.1. Here style also you can change, like heading 2, so because it will change the chapter, then you can give okay. So now if it is you can see that it is coming 1.1. Now here it is coming some left indentations are done, but I don't need that. So what I'm doing means, um, I'm just moving to heading 2 and I'm just moving to modify, and then I'm doing to moving to this paragraph. Here I am in this left indentation, I'm just giving 0. If you want means you can give, but I don't need that, so I just giving a different thing, and I clicked OK. Now also again OK. So now you can notice that it is changed. So here normal is already clicked. So if it is not clicked means you can just click this and then you have to move to this normal. Then heading 1, all heading 1 is given as a 1. Then this 2 is chapter 2 means 2.1, 1 means 1.1. Likewise it is aligned. So regarding this, it is everything is done, but here if you notice means, apart from 3.2 it is coming like 3.4.1. So again we can just move to this multi-level list and just give OK. Sometimes it may change, but sometimes it may cause some issues. So I'm just giving heading 2. So this is what some issue with this.